In this video, I'll show you how you can add music to your video in Filmora 9. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and it's actually quite simple. So first of all, you want to make sure to have music on your PC. If you're not sure how to do that, simply search for how to download music to your PC on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll find a good tutorial. But let's assume that you already have music. All you need to do is click on audio right there. You'll then first of all find like music that's already available, so you can add these songs right here. So you can click on sound effects or electronic, folk, rock, and you can simply choose one of these. Okay, all you need to do for that is click on the plus icon. You'll then find this right here. So this is music, but if you would like to add your own song, all you need to do is click on file, import file, and then import media files. And then I'm just gonna find the song on my PC. I'll just go with this one, and that should then show up right there. All you need to do is click on the plus icon to add the music to your video. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. Right there, you would then have the song on your project. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.